When a pungent odor is detected during a sealed system recovery and or repair, which of the following is most likely? A. The refrigerant should not be recovered.
B. A compressor burnout has occurred.
C. It is the characteristic smell of the refrigerant. D. The refrigerant should be vented.
Welcome to Just Answer. Hello. My name is will be assisting you shortly. Please allow me a few moments to review your post and type my reply. B is the best choice. Greetings. I was reviewing my open questions and noticed this one has not received a reply. Please let me know if you still require assistance and we can continue. Thanks, Dave. Hello. I was reviewing my open questions and noticed this one has not been rated and I am not able to close it out manually. Thank you very much for doing this. Best Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.